caller believes that Alvin Bragg is animated by a beautiful love of law in prosecuting the ex-president, and I believe he's animated by politics. Okay, so there you go. Let me just say this, that it would take a very serious crime if I were a DA, if I were a Republican DA, and there was an analogous, quote-unquote, misdemeanor / felony committed by a Democrat that I loathe, I would never bring this for the sake of the country. You have to be a fool if you're not just evil. You have to be a fool not to understand that you have done something never done in history, not because there were no opportunities, but because no DA was as big a fool as Alvin Bragg. And those who support him will especially win. The damage you are doing to this country because you hate Trump is as narcissistic a form of destruction as I have ever encountered in the United States of America. Okay, let's see here. Philadelphia, Tom, hello.
Hey, how you doing, Dennis? I heard you and Alan talking earlier. If Republicans are investigating Joe Biden right now, to what end is that? Because they make quite clear they're not investigating Hunter, they're investigating Joe Biden. But why investigate if you can never charge anybody after they're president? Because it crosses some sort of Rubicon.
Yeah, no, it's a very fair question. What level of immoral crime would justify crossing that Rubicon? For me, not even Biden's thorough corruption with Ukraine and perhaps others would justify for me putting an ex-president in jail. I think he deserves to be impeached if he's found guilty of all of this corruption, of getting rich off Ukraine because he's a crook. That I believe would be worthy of impeachment. But you're asking me, so I'm telling you, before I put an ex-president in prison, you've got to do something really, really terrible.
Yeah, it's like the lock it up, the lock her up crowd.
Yes, the lock her up crowd. Well, she was never president. She was never vice president.
Yeah, but she was running for president, which you're bringing up as an example with Trump right now. They're going after someone that's running for president, correct?